Measuring area with units. Areas can be measured with objects that are smaller than the area being measured. The surface of the rug has been covered with tiles. The rug has an area of 8 tiles. Here we have the book, and this book has been covered with chocolate pieces. The book has an area of 35 chocolate pieces. There are 7 chocolate pieces here and 5 here, so 5 times 7 is 35. Our character here is reminding us don't use round shapes because they leave spaces. Now let's look at the examples. How many we used to cover the surface of the shape? In this shape, how many blocks? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Now let's look at the bricks. Here is 1 brick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 4 is 16 bricks. And finally, we have our triangles. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8 triangles times by 2, 4, 6, 8 triangles. So 8 times 8 is 64. So 64 triangles are used to cover that surface. The next part of the page is the Your Turn section. Once you have completed this, mark your work and tick how you feel in the self-check box. Then move across to the following page and complete the practice questions.